Your smoke alarm might sleep through a real fire. Most homes have the ionization kind. Government tests burned slow, smoky couch fires. The other kind heard the smoke 30 minutes sooner. 30 minutes of smoke while the whole house sleeps. One New York family took the makers to trial. The federal jury ruled the design itself defective. Families in 3 states are suing again right now. To be fair, your alarm does win one race. Fast flaming fires, it catches those 47 seconds sooner. It wins by seconds, loses by half an hour. The standard got fixed in 2024 for new alarms only. Nobody recalled the one already over your bed. Take yours down tonight and read the back. If it says radioactive, you just met the sleeper.